Introducing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Empty Dock Pure. This powerhouse of a cleaner offers hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks with its Auto Empty Dock Pure feature, which automatically empties the dustbin after each cleaning session. With a massive 2.5 liters dust bag capacity, it's perfect for busy households. Equipped with a powerful 4200 paw suction, the Q7 Max Plus easily tackles debris and pet hair on various floor types. Its intelligent LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping of your home for efficient cleaning routes, while the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously ensures a deeper clean. Featuring an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles, a combined dustbin and water tank for uninterrupted cleaning, and a long-lasting battery for up to 180 minutes of runtime. This robot vacuum is a game-changer for effortless cleaning. Plus, with its compatibility with Alexa and Easy App Control, cleaning has never been smarter or more convenient. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button and hit subscribe for all updates.